to Channel 10 Action News with Samantha Chalmers, meteorologist Marco Santiago Villalobos, and four-time Peabody Award-winning anchor, who also happens to be a werewolf, Guy Henderson.
Good evening. The President of Sri Lanka is in town attending an energy summit. Samantha?
A recent study has found a correlation between goat cheese and childhood obesity. And now with the weather, Marco Santiago Villalobos.
This weekend, the weather's going to be partly cloudy and high 70s, also a full moon.
Ever since the gypsy put a curse on him, Guy Henderson turns into a wolf every full moon, so let's keep those silver bullets handy.
Don't worry, I'm one step ahead of you.
And I better put this on. Toodles, the oldest cat alive, died today at the age of 68.
In local sports, the Rancho Cucamonga Cougars defeated the Murrieta Nighthawks 19-12.
I guess I just caught a case of Rancho Cucamonga Cougar fever.
Uh-oh, it looks like someone's turning.
No, I'm not. I'm fine. In other news, gang violence. Is it on the
Gang violence is up 12% this year.
I am a four-time Peabody Award winner. Let's get our stuff together, Guy. I can do
I'm now here to address the allegations of campaign embezzlement is Riverside Mayor Sheila Thompson.
Hi. Thank you. First off, I just want to thank the Action News team for letting me come on and defend myself. Oh my God, what is that? Oh shit!
Our very own Guy Henderson. The people of did you embezzle $250,000 from your campaign?
No. Those are false. I'm sorry. I feel like my life is in danger right now.
Just like your constituents feel. Good point, Guy. How do you speak to those rumors of infidelity?
Those rumors are false and
Thanks, Marco. Now, how about that 5-day weather forecast?
Absolutely, Samantha. This weekend, we're looking at high 70s. Along with, it's going to be about a 40% chance of showers. Not to we're looking at Monday being a little bit cooler. The weather's it's coming down. Back to you, Samantha.
Well, that's going to do it for tonight's news. I'm Samantha Chalmers.
And I'm Marco Santiago Villalobos.
I'm finally free.
We'll leave you with this blooper reel to liven up your night.